Ooh, Mama.
Why spend more when you could spend less? All you gotta do, plant your own, look at live bid on the plant your own roses, and then Mother's Day is coming up. So instead of you gotta go and buy a bunch of roses for almost how much? $40, when you could just walk outside and pick some roses right out of your garden. Okay? So fresh, nice roses. Why spend more when you can spend less? Okay? Why spend more when you can spend less? That's how I see it. Okay? So this is a nice bunch of rose. You see? Nice bunch of roses that all I had us to do is walk in the garden and pick them.